9-year anniversary. We're so excited to be celebrating our LUXE designation. It's hard to believe it's been 9 years. I remember when we launched it. My good friend Judy Ledour and I were having lunch at Panera, and she just saw my book, Marketing Luxury, and I was telling her how we were just about to launch our designation. Little do people know, we launched it with the name Marketing Luxury Expert. That was how we launched it initially, and then we quickly audibled because the feedback is, hey, you're helping agents and you're luxury focused and you're listing focused. So it was Luxury Listing Specialist. Now we call it Luxury Specialist for short, or LUXE. So I want to share with you our top 9 locations where we had our designations and where we're looking to go back to. And we've done over 50 of these designation trainings since we launched it 9 years ago. And I want to share with you the top 9. Number 9 was Toronto. We used to do trainings for RE/MAX Integra in Mississauga and Toronto and their East Coast region. Number 8 was Scottsdale. My good friend Frank Azami. We had an amazing tour of a beautiful mansion afterwards, and Scottsdale was absolutely amazing. Number 8 was Nashville. We toured the Nashville mansion. Raina James on the TV show Nashville. We toured that mansion afterwards. It was amazing. Love Nashville. Number 6 was Wine Country or Hill Country in Texas. In Fredericksburg, we hosted our designation in a winery in Fredericksburg, Texas. Number 5, Sweet Home Chicago. That was at Medina Country Club at a golf course, very private, very exclusive. The Blues Brothers showed up. It was amazing. That was number 5. Number 4 was Mazatlan, Mexico, where we helped Keller Williams launch their luxury division on May 10th of 2020. I flew back on Thursday, May 12th, 2020. As many of you know, the next day the world shut down because of COVID. That was a very scary time, but that was in Mazatlan, Mexico. Loved it there. Number 3 was our very first designation training in Dallas. We did it at a Studio Movie Grill. We had over 70 agents in the room. That was for RE/MAX Dallas Fort Worth, DFW and Associates. They wanted to launch a luxury division that was different than just RE/MAX collections, and they wanted an alternative. They had sent a lot of agents to other courses, but they wanted something very unique. We launched our course in March, end of March of 2016 in Dallas at a Studio Movie Grill. That brings me to number 2, and that was Cabo, Mexico. A few years back, my family was able to pop in. That's what made it so special even more. And that was in Cabo, Mexico. And drum roll, please, our top designation memorable moment was in Napa, California at AXR Winery. It was at a winery. We had billionaire and founder of EXP there. We had the president of the ARIA, the Asian Real Estate Association there. And we had my good friend Ryan, who was the founder of the LGBTQ Alliance. 3 rock star legends in the industry. They were at it. And then we did a wine tasting afterwards, and we toured some mansions. So our LUXE designations are coming to you April 15th in Miami. Still tickets available. You can go to luxurydesignation.com/Miami. That's going to be at Miami headquarters, the largest association in the U.S. And May 6th, we're going to be at the second largest, which is Houston Association of Realtors. If you're looking to get certified in luxury and differentiate yourself, you should consider the LUXE designation. If you want to host one, reach out. These are our top 10. Michael LaFido. Make it a great day. Take care, everybody. And again, thank you for everybody that's made our LUXE designation possible. It's a brand agnostic course that helps